I know some of you are actually hearing that they are cashing out so much on YouTube and you just want to start this YouTube channel without even knowing what niche actually matters, which one actually brings so much money to your table. Because there's another thing to actually spend all your time in creating content, and at the end of the day, you will not even get any money out of this. It's not what you really want. You need to know which niche actually gives more money, because every money you make on YouTube, it's 55% is actually for you, 45% is for YouTube. Yes, that's it. So if you think you have $3 in your CPM, by the time you go to check your RPM, you might not have more than maybe like 30 cents, and you will not want that. So it is better for you to know your CPM and your RPM, better still your RPM, for the niche you want to choose. So today I'm going to be telling you 13 niches which are actually profitable and have at least minimum average reasonable RPM. So please, before you continue with this video, take your time to do what? To subscribe, like, and comment on this post. I will really appreciate that. And don't forget to share. I will still appreciate that as well. So the number one niche I think you can go into, and I can give you so much money this year, is video games channel. But another clause on this channel is that, on this niche, is that if you want to go into this niche, you have to know that numbers matters. Is how many people that watches your video that will give you so much money. So for 1000 average, per 1000 RPM on this kind of niche is $1.40. Yes, that's it. So let's go to the next one. The next one is music channel. I know you want to think, okay, what is the revenue that all these musicians used to get? For a music channel, at least you can get up to $1.40 as well. $1.46, sorry, for a musical channel. Then the next one is fitness channel. Fitness channels, you can actually base on how people can get fit, reduce their tummy. It can be weight gain, it can be weight loss, it can be anything on fitness, maybe arthritis. Talk about how people can actually get fit. It actually brings money as well. For your RPM on average level on this is $1.60. That's it. So another one, let's go to this review and reaction video. You can see some people that they review people's content, they review some video, they react to it. That kind of content actually gives a good RPM as well, and which has up to $2.03. It's still reasonable. $2.03 on RPM. That means the CPM is going to be almost be like $5 or $4 plus. So that means your RPM on this kind of reaction video is like $2.03. So the next one is tech and gadget. Tech and gadget actually has a good CPM RPM as well, which has up to $2.29. And another one people are actually going into so much right now that even on my Instagram, I'm actually doing it as well. It's food channel. That's the cooking channel. Most people want to know how to do all these different cooking in different countries, or your even native food that you don't really know how to do. So most people are actually going into cooking channels, and some people are even making it big, like really big, like teaching them how to even like putting fitness into their cooking channel as well. And the RPM for this channel is up to $2.50. Yes, it's that much. Then the next one is entertainment. So like movies, kids, like that. If you think, what do they get on 1000 per mile, like the per video, they have up to $2.74. So now let's go to fashion and clothing. Some people actually tell you how to style, how to fashion line and every other thing, review some clothes and every other thing. So this niche gets up to $3.13. It's not easy for them to be changing clothes. So, and I guess so people that want to advertise actually like this kind of content, so they put more adverts on this kind of niche, so they have up to $3.13. Then another one is lifestyle. Lifestyle is actually a niche that it's actually beautiful. People really want to know about them, especially if you have your followers, your fan base. They really want to know what is up about you, even though they don't want to be like you, but they still want to know how can they do this, how can they do that. So lifestyle content actually goes far as well, and it's up to, I have up to $3.47 for this. So now let's go to the top 5 niches. Please, I beg you, before we continue this, if you want me to tell you the best 5 that you can actually invest yourself in this 2024, please go and press that subscribe button right now and like this video, please. This actually goes a long way for me. And please don't forget to leave a comment. I really appreciate that, and trust me, I do reply to all my comments. So now let's go to the next one, is filmmaking. Filmmaking, you were like, people that are money or bully, all of them, they're actually cashing out. Yes, let me tell you, their revenue RPM per 1,000 mile is up to $7.31. Hey, this is actually high, like really high. And the next one is educational video, just like the one I'm making right now. Like if you know things that you want to teach people, maybe you know fashion designing, you know anything you want to teach people online, it actually have a good RPM as well. And it is paid up to $9.89. Depend on how much people actually watch your video. You can actually have more than that, and it can be lesser if people did not really watch your video. If you didn't really move, it can be lesser, but at least on an average level of making a good content on educational videos and teaching people or what they did not understand, trust me, you get to get a lot of money on this. So the next one is personal finance and investing. This content, this niche is actually one of the best niche. If you know how to teach people how to invest in Storex, in crypto investment and every other thing, this niche is actually the top not the toppest, one of the toppest, and actually have a good return revenue on this, and has up to $12.25. Yes, I'm actually shocked as well. I don't have any information on investing crypto. I really don't have any information. I will have actually said, please excuse me, let me start another channel on this. It has up to that on the average level. Then the last one, the most profitable niche on the street of YouTube, is, drum roll, please make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, like, share, and I really love that. Please do not forget about that. So let me go to the final one. The final one on this episode today is just lie. Okay, let me explain it to you. It is actually money making online videos. This kind of people, they lie so much that even all these app they tell you to use or they tell you to do, and at the end of the day you will get there. By the time you finish watching all the video from beginning to the end, because you don't want to skip any step, by the time you get to the app, you see that the app is not even working. Yes, it has. That's like some of them. I think some of them even create an app for you just to watch that video. Then you will think that it actually makes money, and how to make money in less than 100 days, how to make money online, how to make money in comfort of your home. Most of these videos are lies. That's it. But some are actually true. But before you see a content, a niche that will actually give you how to make money, $25 10 seconds, you will have watched like thousands of videos. So this actually have up to $13.52. Yes, that's it. I hope you actually enjoyed this content and you watch this video to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It may actually help someone else that wants to start investing on YouTube this year and grow more. So you can actually still rewatch all these videos, save it, and you can actually check which one you can actually give people more info, and it's going to be more convenient for you. So until next time, I'm going to be seeing you. Do not forget again, subscribe, like, and thank you to all the people that have liked, subscribed, and shared my other videos. I am grateful, and see you next time. Bye bye.